So today agenda of the window transformation. So detailed description of the window transformation after completion of the session, I will add it into the index. Just come to the portal and start your ADF studio. And also go to your data lake. Our regular data lake here, my bulk storage. The regular file I'm opening. Especially if you check the last 3 rows, there are some null values. First, I will clean them. Already data set we have for that. Okay. Directly data flow I'm defining. I'm starting data flow debug mode. The window data flow, the name. But always better practice for before every transformation, first clean the data. If there are any null values, just handle the null values. Here I am selecting the data set ds_emp. Let me give some source name. The output stream name I'm giving a raw EM. I want to clean. Clean means indirectly you are going to update. That means what is the transformation required for that? Derived column transformation. Okay. In derived column transformation, I'm especially targeting salary because some arithmetic operations I want to apply, but in the salary there are some null values. I want to clean them. Lakshman, you sit that side, or else no center. Please come center. Please come center. Center. Yes, you also this side. Now able to see the screen. Yeah. So I want to apply some aggregations on the salary. That's why I want to clean the salary column. Two ways that you can clean. One is if. Second one is if null. Directly if null is easy way. If null, I think. If null salary comma 0. This is your expression. Service. Of course, there is a gender column. I don't want to clean that gender. Okay, only salary part I am taking. For this, I'm going to add window transformation. So first to see the practical, what exactly the window is doing and what is its importance, I will explain after completion of this practical part. For today, first we go in reverse direction. First practical and then we try to understand what is the functionality of it. Here over, in SQL also you have over class, similar to that. And sort range by and window columns. So about range by, in a special scenario, I will explain. For now, I'm going for over. So in the file, you have some data. Please check your data. The last column is department number. Based on the department number, I want to apply this windowing feature. Observe this. Here I'm selecting a column, department number. And sort. In the beginning, I don't want to sort, apply the sort. Okay, if you want to sort, I'm going to apply the sort on salary. Based on what column that you want to sort. That in which order, ascending or descending? Your wish. Default. So default is this one, ascending. If you want descending, go for descending. That's it. I'm keeping just as ascending only. And window columns. So here actual path will be applied. In the case of windowing column, let's go for cumulative average. Okay. So simply the expression I am giving here. I'm going to call the function average of cell. Let me check other functions. Rank also available, dense rank also available. Okay, first we will check with average of cell. So there are so many predefined aggregated functions that which supports cumulative operations. Okay. What exactly the meaning of it? Once you check the output, you can easily understand. Observe here, war by department number, sorting by salary. For the windowing feature, I applied average aggregation. For range by, one special scenario I will bring in later concepts you can understand about it. So these are the three things we have applied now, till now. Run the preview first. Transformation stream is invalid, fix errors, enable data preview. Click to see errors. Something we missed it. Data flow, derived column expression. There is some error in the derived column.
Salary expression, sir.
Because we applied salary and we are trying to replace with a numerical value 0. But in the field, salary was a string. Because you are taking, you are reading data from a file. When you read data from a file, every field is a string or not. That is a mistake here. Okay. Go to the source, go to projection and make turnover salary as integer. Okay. And department number also integer, but no need to change here because you applied only war by class, but not aggregation numerical function there. Let's check the inspect data type changed. Now only for the data flow, only for the derived column, I am running the preview now. Refresh. Especially look at last rows. Okay, previously some rows, especially for Lakshmi and Lakshman, the salaries are nulls. Now they become zeros. Okay, now no problem. Now run the window. Under preview, I am refreshing. I'm just bringing all the fields close together for understanding the results purpose. Please observe. I said cumulative here for some fields. Actually, here in the data, m.13, just try to modify this. Data is not cleanly typed. Where is m.13 here? This one? m.13 for Lakshman. It's not m dot, it's m comma. You don't mind, once again, I'm running the preview. Okay. It is taking from cache. Let's apply one sync and check the outputs. I'm taking the sync. In the sync, I'm giving our regular output folder ds underscore output. Under settings, I'm going to write into a single file, set single partition, output file name, window output one. Just I'm publishing this flow. And come to the pipeline. I'm using this run flows. Here, change my data flow name. The data flow, what is the flow we have given? Window df. Just run this. The job is submitted, but status in progress. So please wait for a few seconds. It is going on. Now it is completed. Please check the output. What is our output file name we have given? Window output one. Okay. Just open this. All of you check the outputs. Sir, we applied over class by what column? Over by department. Sort by salary. And then window operation, average. Okay. So till now, look at only the first 11 department. We have 11, 12, 13, like these departments. So for the selected rows, 106, 101, 3, 4, and 1. 112. Look at your salaries. Sir. Salaries are arranged in ascending order or not? Only for 11. I am talking about only for 11.
Ascending order.
Observe and confirm me.
Ascending.
Salaries are arranged in ascending order because sort by salary, the default sort mode ascending. Again, look at 11 only. Only 11. First person salary, how much? 50.
56.
Up to 50. Up to 50. 50 divided by 1. 50. Next person salary, 80. 80 plus 50. 130. 130 by 2. That means up to 2 persons, average salary is 65. Up to 3 persons, average salary is 66,666.
76.
Up to 4 persons, average 87. Up to last person in the department 11, 98,000. Understood the points? Okay. So here, what is a window? Window is nothing but one partition. Department is one partition. Got it? Department 11 is one partition. Only for 11, cumulative average will be applied. Only for 12, separate average will be started for the 12. Look at only 12 rows. Sir. Only 12. Only 12. In the 12, the first person Raju. Salary 80. 80 by 1. 8. Understand this point. This is 80 by 1. And second person 80. Again, 80 plus 80, 160. Divided by 2, again 80. After 3 persons in the department, 12. After 4 persons, after 5 persons, 6 persons, 7 persons, 8 persons. After 8 persons in department 12, average of the organization salary is 1,07,500. Understood or not? Windowing means the cumulative. So point number 1, the advantage. Cumulative average you are getting. Cumulative aggregation. Aggregation different. Cumulative aggregation different. The cumulative aggregation separately applying on each partition of the data. Here data is partitioned by department number. That is the meaning of over by. In SQL also we have this function. Select column list over partitioned by department, order by salary. Did you remember? Same function. Without writing query, you are performing like this. Understood this point? So the equivalent SQL operations, just to go through any your favorite YouTube channel. There is a lot of stuff in YouTube for the SQLs. Got it? So in this way, for every operation, what is the background SQL query? Try to learn it. if you are new to the SQL. Automatically you will become strong into SQLs. Okay, this is one operation what I have done. So this is window. Still, I'm trying to do some changes. Come to the flow. Where is your flow? Window, the name. Okay, directly here we will open the window flow. Right. Touching the derived column. Why derived column? Okay, I want derived column. This is debug mode. Come to the settings. Already salary is clean. One more column I am adding. This column. Organization. Organization is Sunad. Sunad Tech. Woman. I want to give some value. Some value I want to fix it. In the strings, I'm giving Sunad Tech. Otherwise, it is treating Sunad Tech as a variable. Okay. That's why in the quotes I have given that value, Sunad Tech. Now what happens? What happens? New column created, but for all the rows, the value is a constant. That is Sunad Tech. Got it. Now, till now, check the preview. Just run the preview. Okay, for this, I am applying one more. One more. What is that? Select. Applying select. In the case of select, I'm taking some columns. I want ID. I want name. It's stuck. What is the third column? Salary. I want it. Gender. I don't want it. In this example, I don't want department number also. Just I took organization. Okay. And salary. This organization, okay, keep it in the last field only. I don't want to change anything. Okay. Till now, how many columns that you have? 4 columns. Now come to the window transformation. What the magic we are going to do, just observe. Transformation stream is invalid, fix errors. What error, man? Over column department. Okay, we'll change. We'll have to change. Sync it. Come to window settings. Now I want to apply still cumulative average. But over by, not department number. Over by organization. Now all rows will become all Sunad rows. For all the rows, what is the value? For all the rows, what is the value of the organization column? Sunad Tech. Now all rows become as single window. Previously, you said a department number as window. At that time, you have 4 windows. 11 one window, 12 one window, 13 one window, 14 one window. Now, I want to make all the rows as one single window. One single window. Understood? So, to make all rows as one single window, additionally, what technique we applied? We generated a new column. For all the rows, we have given one common value, one constant value. That is Sunad Tech. Understood? Now, if I over by organization, all the synaptic will become one window. Understood this? Sort, same salary in ascending. Window column, cumulative average, that too average expression. Average of salary. What kind of advantage I will get by this operation when compared with the previous task? With this task, what kind of benefit you will get to just observe? I'm going to run the preview. Still going. How many windows I will get now? Single window. This is
Two
one of the
windows.
question.
Two
How
windows.
to make entire data as single window means this should be the answer to apply your cumulative aggregations. Got it? Okay, look at this output. Okay, output ready. So understanding this output in this shape is difficult. I'm publishing. Oh, not publishing. Before publishing, we do the output settings. Where is sync? Let's go to the sync settings and we write output into other different data set. Let's say this time output to 2. Okay. Now publish once again. Go to your pipeline. Run flows is your pipeline. For the run flows, already window DF is applied. I'm debugging this. Job is in progress now. Succeeded. And check the output here. Window 2. You have given window output 2. All of you please check the data of it. Observe the new data.
Sunnati Nada entered.
Look at fourth column. What is fourth column? Organization. For all the rows, organization value a constant, that is synaptic. First person Lakshmi. Salary 0. Till then average is 0. Understood the points? And 0. 20,000. But 20,000 by 3. Understand?
By 3.
After first person, after second person, this is average. After third person, this is average. After all the persons, what is average salary? What is average salary? 80. Got it. In this way, cumulative average. What is the difference between average and cumulative average? For entire column, a single value is average. But for each row, cumulative average. First one person joined. Only for that person, what is the average? Okay, I try to change this more better use case. Let's go with the same data flow. I'm opening the flow. Come to window settings. Cumulative max. Whether max is available or not, we check it. Yes, available. Max of 7. Any aggregation that will be applied in the style of cumulative process. At the same time, I will apply average also. Cumulative sum. Go for the expression. That expression. Sum means sum only. Why special thinking? Sum of salary. One more aggregation I want to apply. Cumulative max. Apply the max now. One more last. Cumulative rank. But this rank, we go with the partitioning. Then we will take advantage of it. What is called the rank. Already have rank function. Let's go with the dense rank. Dense rank based on the salary. I think it is not accepting dense rank of salary. Let me check. Without with argument that is not accepting, later we will check the syntax of it. How to use that function, we'll see. Okay. I'm coming to window again. Under window settings. Which one? Cumulative max. Okay. This is max already there, right? I want let's go with the cumulative average for this. Cumulative average. Here we apply. Instead of max, we go with the average. All expressions ready. Four by. Instead of organization, I am going to department number. But department number we eliminated there. Let's go with select. I am removing this select, sir. Okay. Or by department number I am selecting. Department number. Sort by salary. Descending. Window columns. Already we have selected. 4 expressions that we have applied. Come to the sync. Window output to 3. Output to single file. All the remaining options selected. Just publish this. Publish. Go to the run flows. Already same window DF is configured. I am debugging this. Maybe problem may be occurred at dense rank. If any error comes, like we will check the syntax of it in the documentation, because the salary as argument it is not accepting. What is status in progress? Completed. Now tell me your observation by seeing this output. Window output 3. Additionally, the 4 columns we are generating. Cumulative max, cumulative sum, average, and also cumulative rank. Got it. Check this data. Only observe these rows. Look at the first column. Look at the first row, sir. That is Nagaraj. What is the total salary? What is his salary? 1,40,000. Only for first row. Only think that only Nagaraj is my first employee. Nagaraj is just joined as first employee. His salary 1,40,000. Till now, what is max salary in my organization? 1,40,000. Understood? But why this guy? Who is this? This waste fellow? Not. Huh? Why Adesh came to here? Because he is not in department 11. Because you applied windowing by over by department 11. Now your marketing manager interested about only department 11, man. In marketing department, who is the first person? 1,40,000. What is his rank? Number 1. Next 1,20,000. His rank. After 2 employees, his rank is 2. After 3 employees, rank 3. Got it. Suppose if there is another person in the same department 11 with 1,40,000, both will get number 1 and number 1. Got it. Okay, look at the column max, sir. Look at the column max. First employee 1,40,000. After first employee, the max salary 1,40,000. After second employee, the max is 1,40,000. After fifth employee, the max salary of the department 1,40,000. Understood? Got it? Now next come to the cumulative sum. After first employee, total salary 1,40,000. After 2 employees, 2,60,000. After 3 employees, 3,60,000. 4,40,000. 4,90,000. The cumulative operation separately happening for each department number. Same style cumulative average, same style cumulative rank. Again, when you go to the department 12, the story got changed. Again, ranking starts from 1. This is generally called group ranking. Okay. Only for male separate ranking you want to apply, only for female separate ranking you apply. If you don't windowing it, it will treat all males, all females as single window. Got it? How to apply group ranking? The question, the answer is windowing. Got it? Even multiple aggregations that you can apply. Understood all of? This is what windowing transformation for today class. And tomorrow class is special session. All batches are allowed, not allowed, they should attend. Maybe I am expecting the time. Mostly this is in my mind 8 to 11. Any change happened, I will update you. Please cooperate to my timings. So if most of people think that like time is not possible means definitely I will engage the class in that time only. So 8 to 11, I am proposing my time. If any change, definitely I will consider, but try to give me priority for my convenient timings. The topic is very interesting topic. There is no new technique. With our learned techniques, we are going to implement a case study, that is incremental data loading. This is the first step to implement your SCD. To work with SCD, SCD is always doing what, sir? Changing data captures. But changing data captures means, first of all, you need to capture the deltas. Delta means the modifications in the data. There are two types of loads, full load, incremental load. Whenever first time I am doing something that is full load, next onwards, incremental load. Got it? First, in the first target, I show this incremental loading table to table, one table to another table. Table 1 treat as source, table 2 is for target. That means which captures the delta, one table. But in real time, what happens? I have 800 tables. I have 800 tables. In any table, the change may happen, but you don't know. Manually open one table, select star from, and check the previous data and current data. That is not happening in the real time. If you want to do like that, not demand for ADF developers, demand for SQL developers, the two for SQL testers. In which table the changes happen, only picking the table and loading in the, only collecting the changes and loading into the target, that will happen. What is our task is the first to make you understanding table 1 to table 2 incremental load implementation. If there are any updations happen, only those updated records to be loaded into the target. Understood? If any new records inserted, only those new records to be inserted into the target. Got it? This is what incremental load. First step, we try to implement incremental load for single table. After that, imagine I have 800 tables. In some tables, no change happened. In some tables, insertions happened. In some tables, updations happened. In some table, insertions and updations both happened. Target is with a single pipeline. All 800 tables should be reflected into the target delta staging table. Okay, this project we are going to implement tomorrow. So only starting time is in my hand, ending time depends on the topic. When topic comes, then we will close the meeting. Got it? Yeah. All of you, let's meet tomorrow. For now, 8 to 11, if any change, I will update in the group. And also one more point, sir. Yesterday night around 1:37, I put a message. Tomorrow we will meet. Tomorrow we will meet by 9 a.m. Why I put like this is I am an Indian. As per Indian, if morning sun rises, then only they started. I am not an American. I am not a British guy. Okay. 1:37 means that is midnight in India. Arre man. Night 1:37 I put tomorrow. You are thinking that is Sunday. How man? Please cooperate, man.
This is too much, sir.
Okay, sir, all of you. Thank you very much. Let's meet tomorrow. No problem, Lily. We are Indian. I am Indian. I am Indian speaker. You work for USA means work for them. I am Indian. I speak in Indian style only. Okay. You try to understand my style, not our company process style. No compromise.